Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome to my channel. Kanalıma hoş geldiniz. If you want to learn Turkish, then let's begin. Türkçeyi öğrenmek istiyorsanız hadi başlayalım. Today's topic is can't. How can we make sentence when we need to tell that we cannot do something? First of all, let's remember that in Turkish language, when we want to make a new structure, generally we add many things to the root of the verb. Okay? And in this situation, it is the same. We add eme or ama to the root of the verb when we want to say that we cannot do something. Now, I want to begin with an example. Yes, beautiful pictures. You can see here that when you cannot cook, you say ben yemek yapamam. Ben yemek yapamam. You know the verb in Turkish language, as I said before, it goes at the end of the sentence. So ben, me, yemek, it's food, yapamam, cannot cook. So this part is showing that you cannot do it. But let's look at the structure. Yes, look at the example. So how does it change with different pronouns? So let's begin. Ben, it's me. Ben yapamam, I cannot do it. Sen, you. Sen yapamazsın, you cannot do it. O yapamaz, he, she or it cannot do it. Biz, we cannot do it, biz yapamayız. Siz yapamazsınız, you cannot do it. And onlar, they cannot do it, onlar yapamazlar. Next, göremem. Görmek, it's a verb görmek. To see something. So ben göremem, I cannot see it. Sen göremezsin, you cannot see it. O göremez, he or she, it cannot see it. Biz göremeyiz, we cannot see it. Siz göremezsiniz, you cannot see it. Onlar göremezler, they cannot see it. Okay, next one. Okuyamam. Okumak, it is read. Okuyamam, cannot read. I cannot read. Okuyamam. Sen okuyamazsın. O okuyamaz. Biz okuyamayız. Siz okuyamazsınız. Onlar okuyamazlar. Okay, we will continue with some more examples. It would be better if you have a pencil, maybe a paper, and try to remember new vocabulary and new structure. So yes, another example. O uçağa binemez. Fobisi var. He or she cannot fly by plane because he or she has a phobia. O uçağa binemez. Fobisi var. Next example. Ben kapıyı açamam. Anahtarım yok. Ben kapıyı açamam. Anahtarım yok. I cannot open the door. Kapı, it is door. Ben kapıyı açamam. I cannot open the door. Anahtarım yok. Anahtar, keys. I don't have keys. Anahtarım yok. Next example. I also like this example. Seninle evlenemem. I cannot marry you. Seninle evlenemem. I cannot marry you. Çünkü, because, I didn't write the answer. Maybe you will find different reason why people say no to the when people propose. What can be the reason of no? So please, you can write them in the comments. But what is the translation again? Seninle evlenemem. I cannot marry you. Çünkü, because. Okay, next example. Şimdi konuşamam. I cannot speak now. Şimdi konuşamam. İşteyim. I am at work. İşteyim. I am at work. Şimdi konuşamam, işteyim. So one small note here, yes, as you can see, I am not at, I am at work. As you can see, iş, it's work. Everything is added to the root in Turkish language. İşte, when you add te here, it means at work. And when you add yim, it shows that it is me, so you don't need to write pronoun here. So, şimdi konuşamam. Now I cannot speak. İşteyim. I am at work. Okay, next. Taksiye binemem. I cannot take the taxi. Taksiye binemem. Param yok. I don't have money. Taksiye binemem. Param yok. Next. Now let's do some exercises. Okay, here you can see many verbs. We will divide them. Now we will not. Let's not divide. Let's just write. 1 minute. So we will just write how can we make negative? Yes, how can we write negative? Now, konuşmak. How can we make? So konuşmak, it is to speak. Konuşamam. Ben konuşamam. I cannot speak. Ben Almanca konuşamam. I cannot speak German. Next example. Kaldırmak, to hold something, to raise something. Kaldıramam. I cannot raise that bag. It's too heavy. Çantayı kaldıramam. Çok ağır. Next one. Tamir etmek, to fix something. Tamir edemem. I cannot fix it. Okay, next one. Temizlemek, to clean. Temizle, it's a root, and as you can see here, the root ends with vowels. That's why we add here y. Temizleyemem. Evet, temizleyemem. Okay, next one. Let's do it here. I will add them here. Tırmanmak, to climb. Tırmanamam. I cannot climb. Yüzmek, to swim. Yüzemem. Cannot swim. I cannot swim. Next one. Şarkı söylemek, it is to sing a song. Söyleyemem. Şarkı söyleyemem. Again, please be careful. Söyle ends with vowel. That's why we add söyleyemem. Okay. Next example. Uçmak, to fly. Uçamam. Ben uçamam. I cannot fly. I am not a bird. Ben kuş değilim. Next one. Ütülemek, to iron. Now, ütüle is a verb and it ends with vowel. Ütüleyemem. I cannot iron. Next, oynamak, to play. Oynayamam. I cannot play guitar. I know. Oynamak, it's used more for games, not for musical instruments. Okay. So oynayamam, oyun oynayamam. I cannot play, for example, bu oyunu oynayamam. I cannot play this game. Next one, boyamak. Boyamak, it's to paint. Boyayamam. Again, please, you can see that boya ends with vowel. That's why we add y between them. Boyayamam. Next one, pişirmek, to cook. Pişiremem. I cannot cook this food. I cannot cook this dish, for example. Okay, I think that's enough. We can clean this part and look at the last exercise. Okay, now here we had a positive sentence, so let's make it negative. Ben 5 kilometre koşabilirim. I can run 5 kilometers. What happens when we want to make negative? Yes, 1 minute. Yes. Koşabilirim. Pozitif. Koşamam. Negative. Okay. Now let me write full sentence here. İspanyolca konuşmak ve and also it is biz. We. Biz İspanyolca konuşamayız. Konuş is a root. Konuşamayız. Yes. Sorry, it should be konuşamayız. Biz İspanyolca konuşamayız. We cannot speak Spanish. Next one, elbise ütülemek. Iron clothes and the person here is Ayşe. Ayşe is a girl. Ayşe elbise. Elbise clothes. And verb goes at the end. Ütüleyemez. Ütüle. Again, you see here the last is vowel. Ütüleyemez. Okay. And the last one. 50 kilogram. Kaldırmak. To raise 50 kilograms. Now, and the pronoun here is sen. Sen 50 kilo kaldıramazsın. Kaldır, raise. It's a root. Kaldıramazsın. Kaldıramazsın. Sen 50 kilo kaldıramazsın. You cannot raise 50 kilograms. Okay, it is the end of the lesson. I hope the video was helpful and useful for you. Thank you for watching. I'll be happy for your likes and subscription.